Camera memories, snowy forest. Camera motion start with the wide aerial shot, slowly descending into the snowy forest. As the girl builds the snowman, use a gentle dolly and slight orbit to create intimacy. February, Heartfield. Camera motion, use a slow side pan as heart decorations sway in the breeze. Zoom in gently as the girl hands the valentine to the rabbit, then pull back for a wide view of the heart-filled landscape. March, windy hill with kites. Camera motion begin with a dynamic tracking shot that follows the kites in the sky. Then tilt down to reveal the girl holding her dragon-shaped kite. Crane up as the kite lifts off. April, rainy street with puddles. Low-angle tracking shot following her yellow boots, splashing in puddles. Pan up slowly to reveal her face and the frog. Add a quick wrap focus to the reflections. May, flower, garden. Begin with the butterfly eye view, weaving through flowers. Then pull out to show the girl placing blooms in her backpack. Smooth dolly back with slight arc around her. Use a sweeping wide shot from the ocean toward the sandcastle, then switch to a steady cam dolly as she places the final shell on her castle. July, fireworks night. Overhead crane shot slowly lowering as fireworks explode in the sky. Zoom in on the sparkler in a girl's hand, ending in a close-up of her joyful face. August, sunflower field. Begin with the tracking shot behind the girl as she runs through the sunflowers. Use a slow 360 spin as she turns around, smiling at the camera. September, classroom entrance. Medium tracking shot as the girl walks into the room. As she waves, use a reverse zoom out to reveal the whole classroom with her animal friend. Zoom out. October, pumpkin patch twilight. Start with a low-angle dolly through scattered pumpkins, then tilt up as the girl lights her jack-o'-lantern. Add a subtle slow zoom for a magical effect. November, harvest table and forest. Use a crane in from above, descending into the forest, clearing them dolly forward as the camera follows. Replacing food on the table, side pan to show animals joining. December, cabin holiday scene. Start with a slow push in from the snowy outside toward the glowing cabin window. Cut to